How to manage your languages on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your languages on Facebook Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then settings, and then go down again and click profile information, and here go down and you will find this one, basic info, and then go to your languages. If you want to delete any language, just click this X icon here, and as you see the language has been deleted, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.